Welcome to your dream home, 2-story, 4-bed, 4-bath, promenade house with car park and landscape here in Sand Valley, Antipolo. Hi everyone! Ako po si Jen Dimiu, isa po akong real estate salesperson here in the Perch in Sand Valley, Antipolo. Kung first time nyo sa aking channel at gusto nyo malaman everything kung ano ang meron dito sa Perch in Sand Valley, Antipolo, make sure na itap nyo yung subscribe button. I-click nyo yung little bell so that kayo nanonotify every time na ako ay may bagong video. Marami tayong nakukuhang phone calls, emails, texts every day from people na nag-move and relocate here. And we absolutely love it kung kayo naiisip nyo na mag-move, relocate, or mag-invest here in the Perch in Sand Valley Estates. Make sure na tawagan nyo ako, shoot us a text, or send us an emails, days, nights, weekend. Nandito kami, tutulungan namin kayo na makahanap ng inyong property dito sa Perch and Sand Valley, Antipolo. Okay, this lot area is 264 square meter and ang floor area niya is 172 square meter. Ang maganda dito is just minutes away, makikita mo na ang clubhouse with a pool. So, luxury living awaits sa inyo. And ang maganda dito, sa left side ng iyong bahay, wala ka na pong kapitbahay. So, mai-enjoy nyo talaga yung inyong house, pati sa likod, wala ka na rin kapitbahay. Doon lang sa right side. Mai-enjoy mo talaga ang peaceful, serene surroundings. Perfecto para ma-escape mo yung city life. Let nature soothe your soul. Okay, so puntahan naman natin ang inyong car park. So dito sa ating car park, pwede po magkasya ang 2 to 4 cars. Kung meron kang sedan, sporty car, or SUV, or classic truck, your garage will thank you for the upgrade. Ayan, covered yung parking din natin, yung inyong dalawang car. So, ito naman ang inyong foyer. So, welcome. Step inside our foyer at ma-experience mo yung warm greetings. So, welcome home. This is your new space. Ready now for memories to be made. So, kung makikita nyo, very bright, airy space ang ating living room. Dito, talagang creating a cheerful ambience ang inyong living room. So, dito naman ang inyong dining area. Perfect for 2 to 4 guests or yung family nyo. Dito nyo ma-enjoy yung delicious dishes. Very spacious siya. And of course, meron tayong lanay. So, itong lanay natin, we have a big sliding glass doors. Talagang nakaka-brighten siya ng inyong space. So, this is our stylish kitchen setup. Complete na siya. Meron siyang built-in cabinet. Meron din siyang sink. Talagang ma-upgrade na yung home mo today. So, hindi mo na magiging problema ang messy kitchen or overflowing laundry kasi hindi na yung issue with our spacious solution. So, ito yung pwede mong maging everyday kitchen. Dito mo na ilalagay ang washing machine mo. So, keep things tidy and organized effortlessly. Okay, so welcome to your bedroom 1. Very convenient. Again, meron na siyang built-in cabinet for all your storage needs. May enjoy mo yung luxury kasi meron kang sariling toilet and bath here. And just a few steps away, talagang you feel right at home dito sa cozy and functional space. So this time, puntahan naman natin ang inyong powder room. This is chic and cozy powder room. Perfect para sa inyong quick refresh. Elevate your space now. Paglabas mo dyan, yung inyong ilalim ng stairs, pwede mong i-maximize. Pwede mo rin siyang gawing storage area. Okay, so akyat na tayo sa second floor. So, dito kung makikita niyo yung stairs, gawa po siya ng solid wood with sturdy railway metal. So, dito ma-upgrade mo talaga yung space mo kasi meron siyang touch of elegance and durability. Meron na rin siyang provision for chandelier. Okay, welcome to your bedroom number 2. Dito, maximize mo ang iyong space. Meron siyang built-in cabinet at may enjoy mo yung convenience kasi meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. So, ito yung magiging view mo dito sa iyong room. So, puntahan naman natin ang inyong bedroom number 3. Again, this bedroom is with built-in cabinet. Very stylish siya. Ma-upgrade nyo yung space nyo dito. At ma-enjoy nyo yung convenience dahil attached here is the toilet and bath. And this is your view sa inyong bedroom number 3. So, puntahan naman natin ngayon ang bedroom number 4. Pares din siya. Meron siyang toilet and bath, built-in cabinet. Okay, so this gorgeous property is selling in the market for 80 million. Kung cash payment po kayo, meron kayong discount kay Sun Valley na 10%. So, that is 16,200,000 po ang babayaran natin in 60 days. And kung installment naman po, ang inyong down payment is 20%. Na 3,600,000, pwede rin itong bayaran ng 3 months. So, magiging balance nyo ay 14,400,000. At ang inyong monthly amortization for 5 years is 292,032 at 8% per annum, or for 7 years, 224,496 at 8% per annum. You can inquire now. Andiyan po sa screen ang aking number. Again, I'm Jennifer Limiu, 0917-816-5947. Discover your neighborhood, church, grocery, market, school, and hospital all within arm's reach. Live closer to what matters most.